When I make this pudding, it doesn't even last a full day. We start with 90 grams of sugar in a saucepan. Turn the heat to medium and let the sugar melt slowly. No rushing here, watch it change texture, form small crystals, and suddenly turn into a beautiful golden liquid. This is the moment when people usually show up in the kitchen asking what's being made. Just be careful not to let it get too dark, because we want a beautiful, flavorful caramel, not a bitter one. Now, carefully add 120 milliliters of water. A strong steam will rise, and that's completely normal. The water helps achieve the perfect syrup consistency, making it more fluid and ideal for coating the pudding after it's unmolded. Stir until everything is fully dissolved and looks glossy. Next, pour this caramel into a bundt pan. Slowly rotate the pan to coat the bottom and the sides. This detail guarantees that gorgeous effect when the caramel drips over the pudding. Pan ready? Set it aside. Now for the easiest and maybe the tastiest part of the process. In a blender, add 3 eggs and 397 grams of condensed milk. Then add 300 milliliters of milk. You can use the condensed milk can as a measuring cup. Blend everything until you get a very smooth mixture. The smoother the cream, the silkier your pudding will be. The kind of texture that almost melts in your mouth. Carefully pour the cream into the caramelized pan so it doesn't mix with the syrup. Then cover the pan. This helps the pudding cook evenly and become extra creamy. Now place 1/4 of a lemon in the water bath. It helps prevent the pan from darkening during cooking. Next, add hot water to the pot. This trick speeds up the cooking process and keeps the temperature stable from the start. Cook in a water bath for about 30 to 40 minutes over medium heat. Do the classic toothpick test to check if it's ready. Once done, let it cool before unmolding. And just look at how it turned out. Creamy, flavorful pudding, easy to make, with that shiny syrup that makes your mouth water. Now, all that's left is to serve and enjoy. Make it at home and then tell me what you think.